in the darkest part of their life comes the fulfillment of a beautiful promise. That is what we are celebrating at a time when we don't expect prayers to be answered. Then God surprises us with John and eventually with Jesus. Christmas is a time of God fulfilling his promise. Even in our old age, Christmas is a time to rejoice sapagkat totoo na si Zechariah, God remembers again. Sapagkat totoo na si Elizabeth is a representative, ang mukha ng nag-uumapaw